Guys, have you seen those incredibly satisfying color mixing ASMR videos taking over YouTube and Facebook? They look simple, but they're pulling in millions of views. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral colorcraft animation videos using 100% free AI tools. No paid collaboration, no hidden costs. If you're looking for a brand new niche with huge viral potential and full monetization, then make sure you watch this video until the end. I'm going to show you the complete workflow from prompts to final videos. First of all, take a look at this YouTube channel. As you can see, this channel is generating around 2.7K per month, approximately 1.4K subscribers, and has already gained over 800K total subscribers. Now let's check the videos. If we open the popular section, you'll notice both long-form and shorts are being uploaded consistently. One of the long-form videos has reached 182K views, while one of the shorts has exploded to 227 million views. That's absolutely massive. The content itself is very simple. They're just mixing different colors, but those satisfying color mixing animations are attracting millions of views. As you can already see, the earning potential is also very impressive. Today's tutorial is going to be extremely interesting because we're going to use a completely free AI tool. There is no paid promotion or sponsored collaboration in this video. I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master prompt contains everything you need, including frame 1 image prompt, frame 2 image prompt, the complete video prompt. Simply copy the entire prompt and open ChatGPT. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, and immediately you'll notice that it asks for material A, material B, mixing instrument, the final mixing method, and the final appearance. These are the only inputs you need to provide. Now open another ChatGPT tab. In the new chat, type the following prompt. Provide me engaging and hooked material A, material B, mixing instrument, final fixing, and final appearance for Pigment ASMR. ChatGPT will instantly generate multiple creative Pigment series for you. Simply choose one of the Pigment series. For example, I'll copy the metallic Pigment series, return to my main ChatGPT tab, where I pasted the master prompt, paste those inputs, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT automatically creates image prompt 1, image prompt 2, and the complete video prompt. Everything is generated for you in one click. Now, simply repeat the same process. Go back to the second ChatGPT tab, copy the second Pigment series, return to the master prompt chat, paste it, and click Generate again. Do exactly the same for the third Pigment series, the fourth Pigment series, and any additional series you want. It's time for image generation. For that, we're going to use a completely free AI tool called Leonard AI. Open Leonardo AI and create your account. New users receive 150 free credits. After opening the website, select the GPT Image 2 model. Set the resolution quality to low and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio since we're creating vertical content. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Paste it into Ronaldo AI and click Generate. Within a short time, your first image will be generated. As you can see, it beautifully creates the two untouched materials exactly as described in the prompt. Download this first image because we'll use it as a reference image. Now upload that downloaded image as the reference inside Ronaldo AI. Return to ChatGPT, copy image prompt 2, paste it into Ronaldo AI, and click Generate again. This allows the AI to maintain the same composition, background, lighting, and overall consistency while generating the finished mixed version. As you can see, the result looks extremely clean and professional, matching colors and identical framing. Now repeat exactly the same workflow for every Pigment series. Copy the next frame 1 prompt, generate the image, download it, upload it as a reference, then copy frame 2, paste it, and generate the finished image. Continue doing this one by one for the third Pigment series, the fourth Pigment series, and every additional prompt you created. After a few minutes, you'll have a complete collection of professional-looking images ready for video generation. The longer your final video is, the more watch time you can potentially achieve. Long-form content can often generate better overall revenue because viewers spend more time watching your videos. I also want to mention that this niche performs extremely well on Facebook. In many cases, Facebook can deliver a much larger number of views than YouTube, especially from audiences in countries like India. Even if the RPM is slightly different, the massive reach can make Facebook another excellent platform for publishing this type of content. Once all of your images are ready, the final step is video generation. For this, simply open Microsoft Edge or any browser and search for Pixverse AI. Open the first official website and log into your account. One great thing about Pixverse AI is that it offers free credits for new users. New users typically receive around 90 free credits, while existing users may receive daily credits as well. At the moment, I have 45 credits, and I'm going to use them to generate my videos. Once you're logged in, select your preferred video model, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose an 8-second duration, and keep the quality on low to reduce credit usage. Since Pixverse doesn't currently support a dedicated first and last frame workflow for this setup, simply upload either your frame 1 or frame 2 image as the reference image. As you can see, I've already uploaded my image and confirmed it. Now it's time to add the prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the complete prompt for your first scene. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, enable multi-shot if you want even smoother cinematic movement, and then click Generate. Within a few seconds, Pixverse AI starts creating your video, and in about 10 seconds, your final animation will be ready. You can repeat exactly the same process for every scene. Simply generate each video one by one using the corresponding prompts. If you run out of credits, you can always log in with another Gmail account to receive another set of free credits and continue generating your videos. As you can see, the first result looks absolutely amazing. The AI has created a beautiful, professional-looking color mixing animation. I have another excellent free AI tool for you. Open your browser again and search for Follow AI. Log into your account, and after signing in, you'll receive some free credits as well. Before generating your video, go into the settings and turn AI Agent off. After disabling AI Agent, upload your first image as the reference frame. Since we're using the Gemini Omni video model, using the first image as the reference provides the most consistent results. Once the image has been uploaded and selected as the reference, return to ChatGPT and copy the corresponding video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI, make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16, and click Generate. Within a short time, your video will be ready. As you can see, the final output looks incredible. The AI automatically creates beautiful multi-shot transitions, performs smooth color mixing, and even displays the final color text at the end of the animation. The overall quality looks extremely professional. You can repeat the exact same workflow for every remaining scene. Upload the first image as the reference, copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Follow AI, and generate the next video. Continue this process until all of your scenes have been completed. Once all of your videos have been generated, it's time for the final step, editing. For editing, we'll use CapCut. These ASMR videos don't require a voiceover because the satisfying visuals and sounds are enough to keep viewers engaged. If you'd like, you can add soft background music, but it's completely optional. Open CapCut and import all of your generated videos onto the timeline. Arrange them in the correct sequence and adjust the timing wherever necessary. If your generated videos contain a Pixverse watermark or logo, make sure to remove it by selecting each clip, opening the crop tool, and cropping out the watermark one by one. After that, you can add simple transitions such as black fade between clips for a smoother viewing experience. There's no need to add extra text because the AI already generates the ending title inside the video. Don't limit yourself to YouTube only. Upload the exact same video to YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. One video can be monetized across multiple platforms, allowing you to maximize your reach and earning potential without creating additional content. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned how to create these beautiful viral color mixing ASMR videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI content creation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.